today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money with Zelle on Navy Federal. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to look out for, and how to send funds quickly and securely to someone you trust. Start by opening your Navy Federal mobile app and logging in. Make sure your app is up to date and that you're on a secure internet connection. This keeps your session stable and your information protected. Once you're in, look at the bottom menu and tap More. From there, choose Send Money and then select Send Money with Zelle. This takes you to Navy Federal's Zelle hub, where all your person-to-person transfers live. If it's your first time here, you may see a brief introduction about how Zelle works. Go ahead and tap Get Started, and then select Send Money. This brings up your sending screen. Zelle is designed for speed, so it's best used with people you know and trust, because transfers typically can't be cancelled once they're sent. Next, choose your recipient. If the person is already in your list, just select their name. If not, add a new contact by entering their name and either their email address or their US mobile number. Double check spelling and digits carefully. Sending to the wrong contact can't be undone. If your recipient isn't enrolled with Zelle yet, they'll get instructions to enroll so they can receive the money. Now enter the dollar amount you want to send. Take a moment to confirm you're comfortable with the amount and then choose the account you want to send from. Selecting the right funding account helps you manage your balance and avoid overdrafts. Keep in mind that your account may have daily or monthly limits for Zelle transfers, and those can affect how much you can send at once. Before you finalize, review everything on the confirmation screen. Look closely at the recipient's name, their email or mobile number, the amount and the account you're using. If you see an optional note field, you can include a brief description so your recipient knows what the payment is for. When everything looks correct, tap Send. You'll see a confirmation letting you know the transfer is on its way. If your recipient is already enrolled with Zelle, the money is typically delivered within minutes. If they're not enrolled, it will process after they complete their enrollment. That's all there is to it. Fast, simple, and secure with the Navy Federal app and Zelle.